Hello and welcome. Your host is I, and this episode is brought to you by CBN Financial. Today is Tuesday, August 5, 2025. Markets opened with optimism as early week momentum carried over from Monday's rebound, but that optimism faded by afternoon. Weakness in US service sector data, combined with elevated trade tensions, cooled investor sentiment. Broader indexes slid slightly, while volatility picked up. Analysts continue to watch for Federal Reserve moves. Bond markets suggest rising chances of an interest rate cut as soon as September, fueled by disappointing economic signals. Palantir delivered a standout. Q2 revenue rose 48% year-over-year. Revenue topped $1 billion, and the company raised full-year guidance. Its stock jumped over 7.3% today. Takeaway: robust AI demand is fueling growth. Investors focused on tech and AI companies may find opportunities here. Pfizer posted better than expected earnings and revenue, rallying 4.8% after the report. Takeaway: healthcare names showing strength may offer defensive value. Vertex Pharmaceuticals dropped nearly 19% after halting development of a pain drug despite beating earnings estimates. Takeaway: one-off R&D setbacks can significantly impact biotech shares even when core financials beat. HIMS and HERS fell 12% following disappointing results and weak forward guidance. Takeaway: consumer wellness stocks remain risky without forward visibility. Coinbase slid 4.7% after announcing a $2.3 billion convertible note offering. Takeaway: large capital raises may dilute share value. Watch crypto-related equities. Kyndryl dropped 20% despite an overall profit increase of 44% because revenue missed expectations. Takeaway: beating on profit isn't enough if revenue growth disappoints. Axon Enterprise surged 15% after beating earnings and raising its outlook. Takeaway: high-growth industrial tech continues to attract investor enthusiasm. Other solid performers include DuPont 2.5% and BP plus 2, both buoyed by earnings beats and strategic cost reforms. In India, markets ended lower. Sensex fell 308 points, 38 to around 80,710, and Nifty declined about 73 points to 24,650. The sell-off was driven by renewed concerns over US trade threats, particularly tariffs on Russian oil imports, and continued foreign capital outflows. In Europe, the FTSE 100 rose, powered by strong earnings at BP and Smith & Nephew, plus buyback announcements across the region. That's your market wrap for August 5, 2025, from your host, presented by CBN Financial. Stay informed, stay diversified, and let your decisions reflect both company fundamentals and the broader economic landscape.